I've got a great video today, guys. This is one of the most underserved service businesses out there right now. Gabby, take it away.
A guy named Tony in Phoenix, Arizona, was out riding his bike in the hills one day and noticed something interesting. Almost every house in his neighborhood had solar panels on the roof, and almost all of them were super dirty. Then it hit him. "Oh man," he thought to himself. "I bet I can make some serious money cleaning these solar panels. Nobody is doing it." He bought some basic cleaning equipment, knocked on a few doors, and offered to clean the solar panels with a special $50 off discount. And he had his first $250 job within 20 minutes. It took Tony about an hour to finish the job, and the customer paid in cash. He was now in business, and within a month, he was doing 2 and even 3 solar panel cleaning jobs per day. Neighbors would come by and yell at him and ask for an estimate for their home, and before long, Tony was making $10,000 a month cleaning solar panels. Even better, Tony was setting up his clients on recurring scheduled cleans every 6 months. Tony isn't special. He just hit on one of the hottest small service businesses in the USA right now, and it's wide open. Starting a solar panel cleaning business only costs a few $100s to get going, and it's one of the simplest service businesses you can start right now that can get you to a 6-figure income in only a few short months. The reality is that in many parts of the country, many homeowners have invested tens of thousands of dollars in solar panels, and they need them cleaned regularly for the panels to function optimally and also to protect the big investment they've made. Solar installations have expanded dramatically over the last decade, increasing a whopping 10 times since 2014. The growth is just crazy. Areas like California, Nevada, Arizona, Texas, and Florida are huge markets for starting a solar panel cleaning business. In this video, I'm going to show you why solar panel cleaning is becoming a serious money-making business opportunity, how the business works, the equipment you need to start, how to find your first clients, and how smart solar panel cleaners work their way up to $400 per day fast, and even more, doing this highly profitable service business. So stick around to the end. Homeowners and businesses that have solar panels installed need regular cleaning at least twice a year. In many areas with high solar panel installation, like California and Florida, pollution, dirt, pollen, and environmental debris can block the incoming sunlight. Studies have shown that dirty solar panels can result in a loss of 15 to 25% of their efficiency, and that means homeowners end up spending more money on energy costs. For many homeowners, they know they should clean their solar panels, but they just don't want to climb on the roof or don't have the proper equipment, or a bunch of other reasons. That's where you come in. You solve this problem for them, and you get paid. So now let's talk about pricing and how much you can make cleaning solar panels. Most homes with solar have somewhere between 20 and 30 panels. So you want to price your service on the low end if there are 20 panels at $200, and if there are 30 panels, $300. If you do a good and thorough job, you can finish a solar panel cleaning job in 1 to 2 hours. You only need 2 jobs a day to make really good money. If you average 2 jobs daily, one that's $200 and one $300 job, then that's $500 a day. And that's completely realistic. Now, once you get started, you obviously want to get work as soon as possible, and you might want to offer a one-time $50 discount. But you can still hit $400 a day with 2 completed cleanings, and the margins are awesome. The equipment and cleaning supplies can be purchased for a few $100s and will last for years if you take care of it. So what equipment do you need to get started? Most solar cleaners use a setup very similar to professional window cleaning equipment. The most important tool is a water-fed pole system. This is a long telescoping pole that can extend 20 to 30 feet or more. At the end of the pole is a soft brush that gently scrubs the surface of the panels, while water rinses the dirt away. The next important piece is purified water filtration. Solar panels should be cleaned using purified or deionized water. Regular tap water can leave mineral spots when it dries, which defeats the purpose of cleaning the panels. Many cleaners use a portable DI or RO filtration system that removes minerals from the water before it reaches the brush. You'll also need basic equipment like hoses and, of course, a good ladder. Depending on the quality of the equipment, a beginner can start a solar cleaning business for about $900. Compared to most businesses, that's a super low barrier to entry. So, how do you get your first customers? There are several simple ways people start. One of the most effective methods is the old-fashioned way. You drive through neighborhoods with visible rooftop solar panels and talk to homeowners. Tell them you've noticed their solar panels need cleaning and you'd like to give a free quote. It's super important that you explain to the homeowner that dirty solar panels can block energy performance and cost them hundreds per year in added energy costs. This is a huge selling point. Also, when you give your estimate, make it a can't refuse offer. Like, today I'm giving a one-time $50 discount. Normally I charge $300 to clean 30 panels, but today only, it's just $250. Now you want to knock on 25 doors in the morning and get at least one job. That should be the goal. Sometimes if you knock on 25 doors, you will get 2 jobs, but you should average at least 1. Talking to customers directly is the best way to market your services and get job orders. Once you do good work, you will start getting referrals. So it's smart to always leave a business card with each client. When your solar cleaning business has steady revenue coming in, you can expand your marketing. Get a nice, simple website and a Google business profile and even advertise on Google Ads. Get on popular apps like Nextdoor, Thumbtack, and Angie. Also, another powerful strategy is partnering with solar installation companies. Doing so can get you some nice, steady referrals. You'll also want to wrap your service vehicle with your phone number clearly visible. That's just a huge way to get noticed. Now, if you really want to make even more money, combine solar panel cleaning with other services, like window washing. Offering an additional service can dramatically increase your revenue per job. For example, if you're already cleaning solar panels on the roof, many homeowners will ask about window cleaning. Adding window cleaning can turn a $200 solar cleaning job into a $500 combined solar and window cleaning jackpot job. Sounds really good to me if you ask Gabby. You can even expand further, when you want, to offer other services like gutter cleaning, roof washing, and pressure washing driveways. Over time, many solar cleaning services expand into full exterior home cleaning businesses that offer several services together. So you can see the huge money-making opportunity this is, but the biggest step is getting started. Once you've committed, you need to get the equipment and supplies you'll need and get out there and start knocking on doors. It's also just super important to retain customers and set them up on a recurring cleaning schedule. Ideally, you want to set up a solar panel cleaning every 6 months and have that customer locked in for years with steady recurring revenue coming in. So here's how you make 6 figures and more. You only need to do 30 solar cleaning jobs per month at an average price of $300 per job. This works out to $9,000 a month or $108,000 a year. And that's on the low end. When you expand your business and get 50 to 60 jobs per month and get commercial jobs and also add on other services like window cleaning, then you can make $200,000 or more per year. With that kind of revenue coming in, you can hire a full-time worker to do most of the manual work. If you work hard and smart, you can expand your business as much as you want and bring in the big bucks. So I hope you got some serious value out of this video. If you did smash that like button and subscribe, it means so much to me. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Gabby, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.